To show you 2017 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, power sunroof, remote start, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, overhead console. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.